The Grand Lodge is one of our favorite McMenamins locations. We love all of the bars that it boasts, as well as the charm that it captures. For example, one of the bars downstairs is Bob's Bar, named after the McMenamin brothers' father. Share the amazingness with you.
This is the Grand Lodge. If you're new around here, I'm Steven.
And I'm Elaine.
And today we are at the McMenamins Grand Lodge. It was an old Masonic house that turned into an old folks home for those same Masonic members. Today we're going to show you some of the ins and outs of this beautiful place, all of the art and all of the thought that they put in to making this place special.
We were just at Edgefield Winery. If you missed that video, you can check that out next.
Come along.
Let me give you a tour of our room. This is the Gerry Hysmyth room. So we have a queen-size bed. We have our own sink, which is awesome. This room does not have a bathroom. What's over here instead is actually a closet. But we have a little sitting chair, some nice big nightstands. The room comes with coffee cups and glasses. They have coffee downstairs. So a nice big queen bed. I love the big wooden headboard here, huge. Huge windows with a nice, beautiful forest view. You can see the squirrels playing outside. It's fantastic. Today is actually a little bit sunny. It started out this morning really foggy and overcast and it was drizzling, but the sun has come out, so the natural light in here is really great. You can see all the writing on the wall. Our room is themed for Gerry Hysmyth. She lived here at the Masonic Lodge in the 1990s when it became an elderly care facility. Okay, one of the things that we really love about the McMenamins hotels is that they try to keep things as original as possible. So here in Gerry's room is her mirror slash little medicine cabinet where she can keep all her toiletries and things. Super cute, love that. And then the windows have all the old hardware, I guess you call it. So I don't even know how these things work, but you should be able to, let in some fresh air. Yeah, it all still works. It's its original self, and it's from even before she stayed here in the 1990s. So the windows and things are true to the building. So we are here on the second floor. This is our room. And like I mentioned, we don't have a bath. We use a shared bath. So the women's is just right over here. Ta-da! Take us ladies into the women's bathroom. All right, let me show you the women's bath. It's got this gorgeous marble everywhere. And up on the ceiling, it's got a beautiful pattern that goes around the top. A couple of sinks here. Hello. It's got a nice window. And then 2 showers. 1, 2, and 2 toilets. Just your basic toilet. And let's take a look at this shower here. Nice and big. Humongous. You could fit 3 or more people in here. And down the hallway, around the corner, is the men's bath. It's similar, but has different artwork and an old-fashioned urinal. We don't mind shared restrooms, but let us know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, so there's a 3rd floor here now. There wasn't always. This used to be the attic. That's how it's referred to here, the attic. And there's a story about it being haunted. We'll get into all of that a little bit later, and we'll take you up to show you the secret rooms. But anyway, for now, let's go over here to the Billy Scott Bar. Behind me here is the Billy Scott's Bar. It's not open yet. It opens in about 30 minutes. We've been waiting all day. It's one of the smaller bars on the Grand Lodge property. So we have to wait until the weekends and things when they open these little guys up. We're super excited about it. Billy Scott has a family history of awesomeness. So his grandfather helped create the southern route of the Oregon Trail. Billy Scott was the first guy to enroll in the University of Oregon. His father was a member of the board. I'm not sure how all that works. We can show you the details of that. But they had a lot going on, so very cool, super excited. I don't know that we've ever been in this bar before, so it's probably a first for us, which makes it even more exciting. Let's peek around the property a little bit and I can show you a couple of the different rooms on the different floors where you can relax, lounge, and then we'll head to the soaking pool. Little shamrocks.
The great thing about the Grand Lodge is when they designed it, they made sure to keep not only the history of the building, but also the community that surrounds it in mind. Some of these names on these doors are for past residents. A lot of the painting and a lot of the artistry comes from local artists painting about local historical scenes here in this area.
On the second floor is the Compass Dinner Theater, where you can enjoy a recent release, along with McMenamins libations and some of their delicious pub food. So now we're in the basement. Behind you there is Bob's Bar. That's closed until Thursday. We'll come back Thursday and show you that. So this is the garage door where they have live performances. We've seen them here before. We're not sure we'll catch one this week because we have to leave here and head to the Crystal Hotel. It's our very first time doing that, so we're super excited. Neither of us has been in the Crystal Hotel before. And then if you head down this way, there's another little bar. So this is the doctor's office. It's also closed until 5 p.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow we will come check this out and show you what they have to offer in there. It's pretty cool. It's a very funky building. The art is very cool. I love the tiles on all of the columns and things. But there's not a lot to see because today is Tuesday and it's just kind of a chill day here. So we're gonna go ahead and take some of that advice ourselves and go chill in the soaking pool. So one of our favorite things of all time is playing in the water no matter where we are, and McMenamins has these awesome soaking pools. Everyone just likes to relax and enjoy, as do we. Plus there are bubbles, so it's kind of loud to hear. So we won't talk, we'll just show you around, share the amazingness with you. All right, let's go. Where the action is on the weekends.